Before actually I can join the student organization in 1990, RSF, Revolutionary Student Federation. We can mobilize the first in the student union in the hostel level. Firstly, hostel. The very hostel students are there, facing so many hostel problems, especially in Mudigere, Chikmagalur, and other taluk also. We take the first student hostel problems in the building question. Building rental buildings. Their social welfare officer are doing the hostel. So with very big struggle, we can conduct the in Mudigere especially college hostel. We want college hostel. So on that time, the MLA and the minister, Dr. Motamma, we can Gerau the Motamma. Gerau the Motamma and other ministers also in Mudigere. Many ministers and MLAs can struggle is serious and continue the struggle. So after the government take a decision, the permanent building and find out the land and build the government hostel. Now in Mudigere college hostel, Giridarshini college hostel, we can start the it is the struggle after they build the college hostel. So this type of struggle is going on. And next I will go to the Chikmagalur, especially degree first BA in the IDSC college. On the time also to take a big struggle on the bus, because the KSRTC no shuttle bus is not there, only express, not stop the hostel Pavitravana. One we can discuss and give the letter to the KSRTC DC and discuss the social welfare officer, but the officers are not supportive to me. So one day we can gathering the RSF student organizations leaders on mass, they get out the bus. So the bus driver and conductor give the complaint. The police is arrested and produce the court.
How many?
More than 15 members. 15. The court, especially court, the judge was asking me, why are you come to the KSRTC bus? I am saying it's the government bus, it's the shuttle bus. I have the pass. It is not an express. You don't any argument, no due to the no time. It was on a penalty or 15 days jail. 150 rupees per head or 15 days jail. So our student organizations, other friends are collect the money and give to give the court and penalty 150 rupees. More than 15 members. Very young students people are there. They are crying. You don't know struggle. This is the first time they are supporting me in the RSF struggle. So after we can come to the court and sit to the discussion in the hostel to take a decision. One big struggle, hunger struggle in the hostel. So all hostel, more than 100 students take a struggle and the hunger struggle in Pavitravana college hostel. On the time, mostly evening time, social welfare officer, district officer, KSRTC DC, and district collector DC, other officers came to our struggle tent. He asking what are the problems. I will give the details. What are 2 days, 1 week before, no stop in the Pavitravana college hostel, no settlements. Otherwise,
what are the demands?
Demands. Firstly, we can demand the one central bus up to college to bus stand to college hostel. College hostel to bus stand. So, KSRTC DC is agree. Police and DC, other social enterprises are also supported. Even today, they bus daily more than 10 times running the Pavitravana bus. This is the big struggle in the hostel. After we can very serious discussion. The Dalit peoples in Chikmagalur is facing so land problems, many land, even today. On the time, I remembering more than 9. On the time, I was the final BA in 1993.
You are a major?
Yeah, 1993. On the time, I am the final BA. On the time, take a land struggle in Chikmagalur. Kabinahandi land struggle. So more than 500 students are youths and village peoples. They are gathering, go to the coffee plant and take the hand over their land. In the 93, Christmas, 1993, December 25th, on the time, Christmas Day. So police van, more than 5 or 6 vans, reserve vans came to in the land. They arrested more than 200 students taken arrested and give the and FIR produce the court. Lawyer is give the bail and we can complete the struggle is still continue. After more sometimes we can winning the land struggle.
How do students come to the land struggle?
Very common. On the time the students are very good, very good. With the struggle nature, they are attracted to the land struggles. They powerfully, especially they can start the political ideological knowledge. The land is very, very important. Especially in Chikmagalur, big landlords are there. Big landlords. They are capturing Dalit lands even today. So we can take the challenge. Students are only fighting for the only books, but there are students' problems. But we can take the decision. Land struggle we can conduct it. This is the we can try to land struggle. So first land struggle is in RSF, Revolutionary Student Federation, in the Kabinahandi Hoorata. We are success. Even today, I have the lands in the people.
How much?
3 acres lands. 3 acre lands, more than now 1 crore rupees at least.
They are distributed to the?
Distributed to the people.
People are building
who are the owner of the
building the house?
Yes. House and cultivated. They are doing this type of struggles in the after in Mudigere struggles in Mudigere. Now is Kalasa, Yemmaki. In Kalasa Taluk, Yemmaki. Is also no road is there in the village. No road is in the thickest forest. Elephant and other animals are there. We can go to the village and sit to discuss in the village people. They are asking. They are more, no, even night is not possible. In the elephant is there, in the, no road. So you can take a struggle against in Taluk, Mudigere, and discuss, very serious discussion is going on, struggle is going on. So Taluk Magistrate Tahsildar came to discuss what is the problem, and the Taluk Panchayat President and the EO, Executive Officer, also came to discuss with the, you go to the place in the MIT. So after Taluk rulers, now is road is sanctioning the road. Now is a very good road is there. So after in the MIT, the land struggle also, one problem, land problem is there. The big landlords are capturing the Dalit lands. We can go to the discuss with the big landlord owners. Openly we can say that you are the front movements. You please give the Dalit people lands. So they are agree. But firstly, he has not agree. They are very serious. Court, they shouted. So we can consult the that landlords we can go move to the land. Anyway, we can fight with the capturing the land. So after he was agreed, he gave the return 4-acre lands in the Hemmakki. After in Balu, he is in Mudugere or Balu, 13 members, Dalit peoples, no road. The big landlords are avoid the road, in bump the road. So this road, we can struggle, this is also successful. This type of RSF on the time, revolutionary front movements, many struggles, very important struggles in 1993, December 6, all over India, Black Day.
Yeah.
The Babri Masjid, demolition. So we can discuss the RSF students. We can against the Black Day and observe the Ambedkar death ceremony day on the December 6th. But the government not give any permission. Police not give any permission. 144 section all over India. We can decide RSF and other youth organizations, RYF, Revolutionary Youth Front. We can join together, discuss, take a decision. We break the 144 section. We can observe the Black Day. At the same time, we can observe the Ambedkar death ceremony of December 6. More than 500 students and youths. Big rally in the Big rally. 1993. So police tried to arrest me. I am the leader on the time. But big mass, very militant struggles. We can break the 144 section. Program of success. And
which area?
In Mudugere, Chikmagalur district, Mudugere. It's a big struggle. This type of struggles, very serious struggles on the time. 90, 93, 90, 91, 92, 93. After 94, 96, we take a land struggle. Many land struggles, we can winning land struggles, very serious struggles. Sometimes police are not give any permission. Sometimes students are take a own decision. They will go to the break the law. This type of struggle we can started on the student timings. Even today, after more than the big struggles in the Voskere land struggles, Mekanagade land struggles, after in Avuti, one Chikmagalur Avuti land struggles, most of all more than 1,000 acres land we can win over the land struggles, capture the land. The big landlords are very fight. Many times we can arrest him. Sometimes police are lathi charge also. Many times arrested and I am go to many times in the jail. So after I will, we can fight the student movement. Very couragefully on the time. We can mobilize the big hostel students, hostel problems, and in the same time society, what is untouchable problems are there. We can conduct the against struggles. In the same time, communal classes on the time. We can moving. They are supporting the democratic organizations, some Dalit organizations, some left organizations. They are conducting many struggles and seminars. We will go to the sit and support the struggle. This is the good developments on the time. After I will take a responsibility in the state. I am the state secretary of the RSF, Revolutionary Student Federation, in the conference or in the Davanagere. We take the state responsibility. So after especially very good mass, we can go to the all over Karnataka, some districts, especially Mysore, Kodagu, Chikmagalur, Shimoga, Koppal, Raichur, Ballari, and Davanagere. We are mobilize the big mass base in the students. Go to college. On the time, people were some PVK and other organizations also is there, and Dalit students organizations also is there. Very serious discussion, ideological discussion, very serious. But RSF in the state level, we think very good discussion, study class, seminars in the state level. So I am more than 6 years in the state secretary of the student RSF. After go to promote the youth organizations, RYF, Revolutionary Youth Front. I am the state secretary of the RYF. So RYF is in state level. Again, in that time, especially RYF, we started the one magazine, Class Struggle. In Kannada, Varga Samara. The class struggle. In the RYF take the decision in printing in Bhadravati in Shivamogga. Bhadravati, Shivamogga is good organization, very good mass base. They are supported to the RYF. So whole Karnataka, very good struggle, revolutionary character is there on the time, youth. So I will work with more than 6 years in the RYF, 2 times the state secretary. After again party take a decision to give the AIK case, Raitu Police Sangha state secretary. Again I go to the peasant organizations. In this struggle especially we can develop the documents, especially in present section. What is the political conditions, what is the region, what land peasants are, what are facing this problem, what is the region, how can solve this. This type of documents we can prepare in study class. And at the same time more land struggles, especially housing rights question. No site for the Polar Karnataka and the poor people. Especially in Chikmagalur, most of our lands, more than 4 or 5 type of lands, government lands. The big landlords are capturing.
What are the types of land?
Especially Gomala, Gairana, Ullubane, Kurimande, Kerayangla. This type of lands. The big land, Urudube. Lack of lands are, their big landlords are growing. So all the time you can handle and distribute the land question, very serious land question. Many demonstration, dharana, and campaigning in the village. What is the villages are facing land problems. This type of discussion and struggle is in the state level AIK case on the time. Raitu Police Sangha, AIK case not there on the time. Raitu Police Sangha. I am the state secretary. So after party take a decision, give the party responsibility. I am the state secretary of Karnataka. More than 5 times, 15 years. Even today I am the state secretary of Karnataka, CPM Minister. So party came to good responsibility. I can study the party, Communist Party politics, other party politics. What is the difference between CPI, CPM, CPIML, Maoist, other ML forces? What is the difference? So this type of ideologically, politically and organizationally we can develop it. In the same time, so language problem is there because we can come to the village level. I don't know in the city level, in the village we can learn and study in the village. So this type of, especially in a student base, we can move in the commitment even more than 34 years in this struggle field. I am in between 5-6 years I am the teacher, high school teacher.
You are right.
Yes, high school teacher. I left my job and come to the party full-time work now. More than 20 years, more than I am the full-time worker in the party, my class mass organizations. So what I say to even today, any Communist Party left organizations, they have no very good mass base in student organizations. In youth organizations also. We are facing so many problems. It is not easy at present situation to mobilize and develop the student organizations. Very serious, the education policy, police, and others are, they are not giving any democratic rights to mobilize the students. So it is a reason of present situation. But on the time, 91, the very good very good atmosphere in the student level. So this is the struggle, many struggles. I can at least 1,000 more acres lands we can capturing to solve the land problem. Very serious struggles. Many times, any ministers came to in Chikmagalur, they are before 2 days we can arrested me. Every time you can arrested me, put the police shell. After program you can release me. Every time, many times. So it is now no feeling, no fearing on the time. We can very good. Yes, fight. That is the student.
I think communist spirit.
Yes, communist spirit. Many other organizations are there ideological discussion with me on the time. Some are saying you are the Naxalite. No, I am not the Naxalite. I am the Marxist-Leninist party. I am the our party. I am the revolutionary student front in organization. You know, democratically, we can mobilize the people's youth, peasants. After we can today we can develop the party, work within the state secretary. It's a small history. It is not a but more than 34 years. Now I am 56. When I started, especially in Dalit organizations, my struggle started Dalit organizations. I left the more than 88. I left the Dalit organizations. I came to some searching for the militant student organizations. On that time, even Hampi University Professor Dr. B.M. Puttaya, he was in study in the Hampi. He was in study in the Hampi University. He was in master degree. So he was came to Chikmagalur and discussed with me the student organizations, RSF. They are especially they give the line, show the line of struggles. Even today, he was in the professor, but I am in this struggle field more than 34 years. This is my history.